Clean smarter by using these helpful tips. Use scented laundry beads for a pleasantly perfumed environment. Fold your pajamas neatly using this tip. Fold the pants over the top like this. The two pieces will always be kept neatly together. Handy! Bad smells emanating from the drain? Just a little lemon juice and the odor will disappear. To remove labels from jars, use window cleaning spray. Wrap some paper towels around it and leave it to act. The label will come off easily now. Try this method for polishing cutlery. Use cake yeast, dishwashing liquid, and vinegar. Leave to act, then immerse in water. They're returned to their former glory. Gas rings get dirty very easily. Use a sponge nail file to remove this stubborn grime. As good as new. Tea tree is not just an essential oil, but also an effective antibacterial. Just dilute a few drops in water to sanitize all surfaces. Add the essential oil to baking soda and mix well. Your carpets will be clean and scented. Heat up the blade of a knife carefully. Cut a Ziploc bag in half with the hot knife. Now you will have two smaller bags. To thoroughly clean your dishwasher, remember to also clean the spray arms. Unblock the holes using a toothpick. Rinse off and do a vinegar wash. Perfectly clean. Parchment paper can remove limescale stains in the shower in an instant. Wow, that's amazing! When you sweep up, is there always something left on the floor? Try putting Scotch tape on the edge of the dustpan. Ingenious! Use a squeegee to reach dirt under the beds and sofas. A great solution to get into those hard-to-reach spots. Have you lost an earring in the carpet? Put a tissue on the end of the vacuum's nozzle and secure it with an elastic band. You will be able to find your earring without sucking it up. Use a floor broom like this to pick up all the dirt from your floors. A thorough cleaning.